Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Hello again, guys. We're going to go ahead and get started for the week of the 20th through the 26th. This is a fall theme. I believe first day of fall is on the 22nd in September. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do, though, we're going to concentrate in these four areas at the top. This is where I'm going to draw, and I'm going to fast forward this because this might take a little bit of time. So before we do that, we're going to white out these dates, just in case you guys was wondering why is she whiting out the date. Well, this is a different kind of a layout that I'll be doing for this week, and I don't need these. I don't need the dates. This is what I do, a little planning. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm gonna fast forward this because it's gonna take a little time. We're gonna work on the left hand side first, and then we'll work on the right side. Okay, so I think this is enough branches. Now I'm going to put some fall leaves on here. Now, if you know me, I think out of the box. I'm always doing something different. Never go for the norm. And fall colors is just not my kind of colors. I do like the browns and the tans, but the oranges and reds and things of that nature just doesn't ring with me. So I may sprinkle some fall colors here and there in the decor section of this spread. But as far as the trees, I am going to be doing black leaves. Now these are, if you can see that, these are leaves that I punched out, and they're maple leaves. And we're going to go ahead and place these on the branches. And like I said, this would take a while, so I'm going to do this off camera. We'll do a few now so you can see how I do it, and then I'll do the rest off camera. Okay, so I placed all my leaves on the top of the planter. So I like how it turned out. I left some of the branches empty because this is fall, so it wouldn't be too full. We have some empty branches where the leaves has falling off. I designated that, and some of the leaves here are just falling off. That's why it looks so full, because I placed the leaves falling in between the empty spaces. I erased some of the pencil marks. I left some of the pencil marks for a guide, so when I place my decor and everything down here, I can continue those pencil marks onto the decor. But right now I just left them pencil until I'm ready to finalize the tree. I use this Craft Bond all-purpose glue. Is acid-free and photo-safe, and it's great for paper. It dries pretty fast, so this is all dried off. And you have to be careful, because if you don't put enough on here, they will fall off. I used this technique once before. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to share with you what books we are going to be using for the bottom portion of our tree. So we have the black and white sticker book. We have the Sophisticated Florals, the Memory Keeper, and the letter planners from Kellofaplan. And in here we also use the digital, Art Digital is the name of the company, planner kit. And this is her fall planner kit. So it was a digital download, and I just cut out the pieces that I needed. And we also have some words here and a few other stickers. So we are going to get to work. So the first thing I am going to do is place this sticker. This was just a sticker paper that I colored with some paper, different color pencils. Here we have red, brown, medium brown, and yellow. What does that say? Ochre? O-C-H-R-E? Okay, you can go with that. So we're going to place this color sticker on our planner page. And the reason I'm doing this is to do a background on the tree before I place my words on here. So here are the words that we'll be using. A beautiful day begins with beautiful mindset. So I'm going to go ahead and place those on here. So now we have some nice words up there so it doesn't seem so empty. Okay, so we're going to take away that page and work on this page. So I've already pulled my stamps. I already pulled my stickers and placed them on. I decided to use this instead of the wax paper. We're going to see how this works. I heard from a lot of planner creators that the stickers stick to this plastic guide, but it seemed like it's going okay. So we're going to go ahead and place this on here. So as you can see already, I even placed the days of the week on here to cut some time, because I knew the top of the tree part was going to take a lot of time. So I went ahead and already filled this out and everything. So we're going to erase some pencil marks down here. So I'm going to do a few of these on regular time, and then I'm going to fast forward it. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So we're going to go ahead and fast forward this, and then we'll come back. Okay, now I'm done. I'm just going through and erasing the glue off the leaves, because the glue, it does dry clear, but sometimes it leaves a residue when you're using black on the leaves until it dries off. But I'm thinking I see a little shininess on some of the leaves, so I'm just going through this and erase those residues, spots off the leaves. Oops, that one wasn't glue, right? So that came right up. See, that was a perfect example when I was saying you have to be careful until it completely dries. And then you can be as, you know, within reason. Don't have to be so careful. I'll be using this layout again because I like that it has the drawing at the top and then the actual plan at the bottom. And they could do vice versa. You could do the plan at the top and then the drawing at the bottom. You just have to redate your spaces. And also take in mind to have enough space to write out your plan, because in the end it is a planner. Okay, so I got this little brush here. I'm going to go through and get out these eraser marks between these leaves, because once it dries completely, you don't want to dry the eraser particles to be in it. Once it dries, it's hard to get off. So in this segment of ink on paper, you will see that I will be doing some DIY pages that would be somewhat like a journal, because I love to draw and I like to create my own planner pages. About 4 or 5 years ago, I did a planner segment for about, I think it was 12 weeks, just to see how you guys like it. And basically what it was called creative planning. And the reason it was called creative planning because I made everything from paper and stickers and washi tape. There wasn't any planner kits. And if you're interested in that, I will go ahead and link some of those videos in the iCard above. So we're going to go ahead and put these pages in here. And there you have it, my friends. Let me know what you think. It is different. I like the layout. I probably would use the colors a little bit better. Did something a little bit different over here, but I do like the layout, so I probably will use it again. Thank you again. I hope you got some ideas on how you could do your September weekly spread, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Like what you see? Don't forget to follow me, Breeze Project Book. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you would, please subscribe and click the bell twice, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to search the video library for ideas, tips, and inspiration. And remember, a beautiful and organized home begins one project at a time. See you on the next one. Smooches!